With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we are asked to name the scientist who invented the first microscope, right? So it was the two Dutch spectacle makers, right? And the father-son team, that is the Hans and Zacharias, right? Hans and Zacharias Janssen, right? Janssen. They basically in the year 1590 created the first microscope, right? They created the first microscope, and then in the year 1667 Robert Hooke, right? Hooke Robert Hooke's famous micrographia, right? Famous micrographia, right? Micrographia was published, which outlines Hooke's various studies using the microscope, right? So basically this is the answer for this question. So we'll be considering the Hans and Zacharias Janssen in the year 1590 who discovered the first microscope. After the Robert Hooke, it was the Anton von Leeuwenhoek, right? It was the Anton von Leeuwenhoek, who in the 17th century discovered the microscope and discovered the living cell, first living cell, right? So we'll be considering the answer Hans and Zacharias Janssen, right?
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.